so it
Why
looks like I have to dry them for even longer.
Yeah, it is not great weather.
Let's go.
Before I get hit by the storm. Help me.
Now what's just happened, I need to finish this mission before the morning. It's raining so much that I can remember.
It stopped the storm so I can go check on where it is at.
Yeah, we thought that you would not come because of the weather outside. This is our old house where...
What is that sound? What is going on in here?
Ow. My head hurts. Ow, ow. 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 Ow. Ow.
There is something here.
Oscar, be careful. You are going to fall if you are not careful.
Mommy, Daddy, can we open the gifts?
Sure.
Yay, I am so excited on what he gave for me. I am doing it. No, me. Mommy, Daddy, I am doing it.
Whoa, let's do this. Lily should do it this year, then next year is Aiden.
Yeah, I get to do it. Oh, okay, Lily, you can do it. So first we have is, who is this? Sissy.
I can't wait to see on what I got. Oh, bubble tea, my favorite.
Brew, it is still raining heavily outside. I can't finish the build from yesterday.
It's so boring we can't even go outside.
Hey kids, want to have fun?
How are we going to do that?
You know how you to always play Roblox when you're bored or anything.
Yes.
You want to play it in real life.
How are we supposed to do that?
What is your favorite game?
I think Piggy. Wait, are you saying we are going to play Piggy in real life?
What do you think? If you say the word yes, you are right.
We are actually going to be playing Piggy in real life, and you are not joking, Dad.
Yes, kids, let's play Piggy. Now come quickly to the living room because everyone is waiting for you downstairs.
Where are you all? I can't wait to play.
Me too, so hurry up.
Yeah.
It's the Piggy run for your life.